Today we are going to discuss machine learning. It's a topic you might have heard of. It's also a part of the field of artificial intelligence. Imagine if your gadgets could read your mind. Imagine if your technology applications could predict your next move based on moves you've made before. Well, they're getting pretty close. Welcome to the world of machine learning. It's an important field, even if the name is a little off-putting. This tech wizardry started back in the 1950s, but it's only in the last decade that it's taken off like a rocket. So how does it impact your daily life? Let's start with your smartphone, that little computer you carry around with you and sometimes even sleep with. It captures and tries to understand the patterns of all the things you do. That is, of course, unless you tell it not to. Ever noticed how your photo app can recognize your friends' faces? That's machine learning at work. The photo app isn't just storing your pictures, it's scanning them to recognize faces or places or both. And when Netflix recommends a show that's just your vibe, you guessed it, machine learning. Most people think the things we do are random, but in truth humans are creatures of habit. This enables algorithms to get pretty good at knowing us. But it's not just fun and games. Machine learning helps doctors diagnose diseases faster. Self-driving cars navigate our roads and even predicts natural disasters. In many ways, machine learning and its cousin deep learning is the secret to the future. In fact, 85% of Americans use products powered by machine learning every day without even realizing it. As time goes on, we will inch closer and closer to 100%. So, the next time you get a spot-on recommendation or a timely weather alert, give a nod to machine learning. It's making your life smarter, one algorithm at a time. Thanks for watching. And as always, stay curious. Like and subscribe for more brain-boosting content.